Go.
Well,
I've had them at the restaurants. I've never made them at home, but I think the science is sound. What's going on, guys? I'm CJ. Welcome to CJ's first cooking show.
Good
right
to
over there's
be
Nate.
here.
That's Ethan. Right over here is Aardvark, the third.
Adam.
What's up?
What's up?
Oh, Denise, what's up?
Today I'm gonna show you how to make delicious, crispy wontons with the awesome pork interior flavor mountain of greatness.
There it is.
Grab a cup. Every time the bell rings, we take a sip. We'll see you on the other side, as they say in the biz.
The biz.
Showbiz.
Yes.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first show.
You know, not everything that you get at the restaurant is as hard as you think to make. Whoa, almost cut my finger off. I got some salt, some pepper, some ground ginger, a little garlic powder, and we're gonna get this all mixed up. Dude, the aromas already. Like, that ginger,
Yeah, that smells awesome.
it really does hit. Oh, in case I didn't tell you, that's ground pork.
Bacon tastes good. Pork chops taste good.
Hey, sewer rat may taste like pumpkin pie, but I never know because I wouldn't eat the filter.
Dude, this is such an easy one.
Yeah.
Like, we're almost done.
Who knew?
Who knew?
Who would have thunk?
I would have.
Well, you did.
Because we
And
are.
Here we are.
We have.
And there
We're gonna
you
be
are.
back in a few minutes after the pork has had its time to cook, and we'll continue with the season game. We're like 80 to 85% done on our pork at the moment. I'm gonna add a little bit of soy sauce for that umami, salty,
For the other white meat.
the other white meat, baby.
It's what's for dinner.
Gross.
Also gonna do a little bit of island stir frying.
That's just oddly delicious seasoning.
Is it odd though?
Well, I mean, I guess it's not odd. It's just one of those ones I forgot about until you brought it out.
Yeah, and then you
really,
were like,
really good.
wow,
I forgot how good.
Dude, it is such a good one. I'm gonna turn this guy down. I've also got a couple eggs, dude.
Huevos.
Huevos, rancheros, or
Dude, you're-
rancheros.
One-handed egg cracking game.
Oh, you were hoping it was gonna mess up as you were saying it, weren't
Well,
you?
I saw it messing. I was going to compliment it. It's fine, though. You don't need over easy eggs right now. You don't need sunny side up eggs right now.
No, I don't.
Obviously.
I didn't want them.
Because if
to
you
be that way.
did, you would have.
Yeah. You know what?
What?
Just shut your eyes and
Mind your piece.
be blind
Pardon my French.
while you watch my food.
What's that?
Hey CJ, did you know? Did you know that? Oh, you got me messed up.
Yeah!
I was gonna say that he wasn't actually born blind, which everybody thinks he was born blind. He wasn't, but that wasn't my fact. My fact was that he was the youngest solo artist to
Who?
get
Who are we
number
talking about?
one.
I don't know.
Stevie Wonder.
Stevie Wonton.
He was the youngest wonton to to get on the Billboard 100 at 13 years old.
Whoa, whoa, seriously?
Yeah.
Wow, Stevie Wonder was on the Billboard at 13?
That is interesting.
That's unbelievable.
Um,
Is that for the Stevie Wonton?
he's the youngest wonton.
Dude, Albert's got great lines over here.
Hey, Dad. I love Aardvark the third.
So it's just eggs and pork.
Eggs and pork, and right here at the very end, we're gonna add in some cabbage for texture.
Nice.
Really more for texture, let's just be honest.
Oh, so you're not even gonna cook it that long?
No, this is,
Pro move right here.
it is, we don't want to go too wilty, because it'll just kill it. And I don't want to kill it. I want the texture. I've also got some ponzu. It's like a zesty
Deliciousness.
soy. It's a zesty soy.
It's like a
That's,
citrus soy.
yes,
Yeah.
I like it. It's zestfully clean. And
Oh,
you know,
no.
you're not fully clean unless you're...
Zestfully, zestfully, zestfully clean. You're not fully clean unless you're zestfully clean.
That's what they say. All right, dude. That is done. Gonna, you know what?
What?
Here's what I'm gonna do.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna go ahead and pull this guy off.
Okay.
Get it into a bowl.
It
Because,
smells really good right now.
well, honestly, you put this
that
over
in
some
rice.
rice.
What? Get out of my head.
Get out. Sorry, man.
You want
Easy.
to get yourself some wonton wrappers.
Yep.
Hold on here.
I'm holding.
Holding, almost there. Okay. That's probably about as much.
Ooh, it might be a skosh much.
It might be.
Let's be practice.
I'm gonna find out right now. Yep. Let's see how we do.
What's that you're putting on there, CJ?
This is some water, Ethan. Thank you for noticing. Probably is a little bit much, but let's see if I can do it. Yeah, a little overfilled. Okay. That's what not to do.
Okay.
Too much. Check. Now we know. Now we know. It's even less. Like, very, very little. Wow. Did I do it again?
No.
Okay, good.
Maybe.
Maybe. We'll see.
Little edge of water.
Little water.
Yeah, that's all you need.
Little water on the edges. That's going to activate the yeast that holds this and binds us together. Sorry, guys. It's kind of hard hard to see.
I think we're working.
We are. Tuck and roll, bend and snap.
Slightly overfilled again.
Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Maybe so.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, so. So I want to go somewhere where
people
know me.
Plug us into the social
All right.
pipeline.
I'm talking about a little place called Aspen.
I'm going to do this guy right here. Then we're supposed to kind of fold and crimp together.
A little tough.
No, still too full.
We're getting closer, though.
We're getting closer, right? This
Okay,
next one is going to be the right way.
Third time's the charm.
Third time is the charm. We're going to do just a little bit. Don't do that much. Now you know, I've never made wontons. It's obvious. But
They're looking good, though.
But they are now looking better because we decided to cool on down with the amount of interior goodies, fillage, and make a bunch of these. Just make a ton of them, actually, because you will plow through these in no time. But you got to have those little steps. You got to have the water, the crimping, the folding, and then
It's like the bend and snap.
it works every single time. Now to cook this, we're gonna clear off our griddle. A lot of times you might want all those extra seasonings and flavors, but in this case, we do want a clean surface. So go ahead and just scrape that off, add a little bit of water if you need to, and down with some oil. Now, these are gonna be flipped around a couple times, so it doesn't really matter which way you put it down.
You're gonna fry them directly on the griddle.
We're definitely doing a quick, low, it's not even a shallow fry, technically, because we don't want it swimming, but it is a griddle fry. And as you start to see the color looking gorgeous, just like this, then just start rotating. And I think we're gonna dome this. And the second time we do this, we're gonna probably add some water and let it kind of chill, let it hang out.
Let it be.
Let it be. And I got an oversized bowl because...
Let it be.
Nah, I say let it die. Let it die, let it die. Let it shrivel up and...
I've got some rice wine vinegar.
Sauce? What are you doing?
Because, yep, this is gonna be a dipper.
That's right, my dear.
That's our acidity. Dude, if you've never had ponzu, do yourself a gigantic flavor. That was a Floridian slip.
It was a Flavoridian slip.
That's a flavor. I got a little light soy sauce here. Gonna do just a pinch of scotch. Do not go overboard with sesame oil, folks. It's like,
true.
It turns into pretty much the only thing you taste if you use only that.
You don't say.
I've also got some of this sweet Thai chili. This is gonna thicken our sauce up.
Toby
Plus,
showed me that.
add a little, add a great texture and some sweetness. Now, look at that. I didn't have my whisk, so we're gonna just do this guy. You know what, I might thicken this up a little bit more, but before I do, I'm gonna go check on my...
Oh yeah. They're looking amazing.
They're looking quite fantastic.
Oh, beauty.
We might even be done. Oh yeah. You guys.
Yeah,
we're done.
Feeling good?
I'm feeling great.
You don't steam them one more time, just to make sure all the wontons cooked?
So that was, see, if everybody hasn't picked up on it,
if it were me,
that's Nate's passive-aggressive way of saying,
I'm gonna eat this.
I
I'm
think
just saying.
that you should do what I...
You've done so good up to this point. I would steam one more time. You don't have to.
I mean, come on. I have to now, because...
Yeah.
We'll be back in 2 minutes when they're done steaming.
If your friend jumped off a bridge with you, CJ?
It depends what
Depends
bridge.
what bridge and what friend. It really does depend on the friend.
Me and Skyway.
Nope.
Nope.
These are looking fantastic. You're right. One more steam did the trick. I concede you were right.
Well, you're right.
I'm gonna drain these on a paper towel for just a moment. And I brought my plate over prematurely because I do have some green onion that I want to
You do that trick they
Trying
do
to make my garnish.
at the nicer Chinese restaurants. It goes like the long,
Wait, what's the nice? What constitutes a nicer Chinese restaurant?
not Panda Express.
Oh, I just needed to know.
Yeah.
Because, you know, let's see.
Actually, I haven't had Panda Express in a long time.
Yeah,
It's
don't.
surprisingly good, isn't it?
No,
No, I guess I don't remember.
It's really
yeah,
not.
look at that.
it's really not.
Old knife skills Frazier. Look at this guy.
That's what they call me.
Do they?
Nope.
Well, I did.
But imagine what it'd be like if they did. Am I right?
Right?
Huh? Huh?
Everybody on? Good. Great. Grand. Wonderful.
Okay, there we go. See,
Oh, dang.
that's definitely not Panda Express. All right, dude. Now here we go.
All right.
Speaking of not Panda Express, I'm gonna do
Whoa, 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 Mrs. Lippy.
Mrs. Lippy.
Part of the story I don't like. Get. What are you doing?
Then
What have you done with my friend?
I don't know. I don't know.
What the?
Dude, I'm
Dude,
surprised
this
they're
is
standing
amazing.
up. I'm surprised they're standing up.
Don't be.
Okay.
They're money.
I won't be. I won't be surprised anymore. Dude, this is fun. This is all just for color and show.
So wait, so what are you doing with this
Chuck
sauce?
these. That's gonna be our side little dipper.
Okay.
Just gonna kind of hang out, and you know, we'll kind of just
Dude.
drop, stop, drop, and roll, as they say in elementary school.
Wow.
Right? And then a little. Yep. Oh wait, I had one more.
One more what?
Ooh, I had one more. That's what was missing.
That's what was missing.
That's what was missing.
Dude. This
And,
is money.
Some season or some sesame seeds. Look at that. She's gorgeous.
She's so gorgeous. Look at that.
Bro, the texture of these turned out fantastic. Pop
Are
it on
you
this
ever
plate.
gonna not make something for the first time on your show?
I just find it to be
I'm not
more
saying it's a
fun.
complaint, because you nailed it. You crushed it.
Thank you. So before I dip, I want to taste first.
Okay. All natural. That's a crispy wonton.
Dang, that really is good.
No, this is not anyone else here. Double dipping's cool. Technically, it's your first dip. Better with the dipper?
Dude, get you some of this. This was simple.
You didn't use...
Hey, Andy, where's the bowl of all the dip stuff?
Oh, wow.
The pork.
You poured it all in there.
No, the pork. Hey, Andy, where's the bowl of all the dip stuff?
Oh, that's right here.
1 pound of pork
Whoa.
with egg and some cabbage.
You do like 100 wontons with that much filling.
Yeah, you really could.
Note to self.
These are freaking fantastic.
You're just trying to flex with the chopsticks now?
Maybe. Yeah, so yeah.
Dude, if I went to any Chinese restaurant, I would not be disappointed if that's what I got.
That's money.
It's so good.
Only thing, you could eat a whole plate, so you gotta make a ton of them.
True.
Let me know how I did. Comments below. But speaking of comments, it is time.
Uh-oh.
Welcome. It's CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
All right, this is the segment of the show where I screenshot comments from you, the viewer.
That you do.
If you guys write it,
We read it.
That's right. And here is your platform to share with the world what you think about me and my cooking.
For us to share what you think.
That's right. Exactly. We got some keyboard heroes out there, but we're going to start this one off with the loveliest lady I know,
Your mom.
my mother.
Yeah.
My mom says, "Oh, CJ, the steak and potatoes look so good. I also use Lipton onion soup to season my roast,
Yeah.
hamburgers,
Yep.
steak,
Uh-huh.
vegetable soup, and this week, my ham and bean soup.
What do
It's
you think?
easy and
Yeah.
so good." I
That
dare
doesn't
you.
count.
I
She's
double
your
dog
mom.
dare you to
She's
trash
your
talk
mom.
my mom's
I would
Lipton
never
onion soup.
trash talk your mom.
Oh, that's completely uncalled for, Burgundy.
Would never do it.
Darn right you wouldn't. Dorothy Mantooth is a saint.
Hey, leave the mothers out of this, all right?
But why do you have to use Lipton soup?
I love you, Mom.
I love you too, Mom.
Oh, this is from Rick and Darcy's Adventures again.
Oh,
Dang,
hey, Rick and Darcy.
They are like all over. This is fun. They said, "We found your Nah Dude shirts, but I,
Whoa.
Rick, love your I made it to favorite comments of the week shirt, but unfortunately we haven't yet."
Now they have twice.
You now have like 3 times. Either way, Rick and Darcy, it's
Welcome
official.
to the party.
It's official.
Yeah, they're in.
Now you have to buy a shirt. All right, this is from Boogeyman 9254. Boogeyman says, "I wish y'all would just cook instead of all the BS. You cook some fine food, but I find myself fast forwarding through a lot."
You oh. That's what I think about
That's
that comment.
exactly what. That's right. Boogeyman, sorry, dude.
That's
exactly what. Boogeyman, sorry, dude. We like to have a lot of fun.
Boot, scoot, and boogie on out of here.
Okie dokie. This next one comes in from Sack Ellis, or Ellies, or Sake. Lees, I don't know.
Suck it to me, baby.
Says, I think it's genius of you for all the people that complain about the movie quotes and the interruptions, and all they want is the recipe. And you throw in another segment of ringing in the new viewers, going completely the opposite direction. Top shelf. Good on you.
Just when I think you couldn't possibly be any dumber, you go and do something like this and totally redeem yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Socrates, you're a smart man.
So crates for the win.
The only true wisdom consists in knowing that you know nothing. That's us, dude.
This is from Ron Clark.
Ron Clark.
Here we go. All the slapstick garbage is more annoying than funny. A little bit goes a long way. Stick to what you're good at,
which is
cooking and not comedy.
It's a
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ron Clark.
Ron Swanson.
Swinny.
Maybe it's on the briefcase.
Oh, Samsonite. I was way off.
I knew it started with an S, though.
All right, let's wrap it up. This is the winner chicken dinner. This comes in from TJ Quirk.
TJ?
TJ says, this is the most ridiculous cooking show ever. I love it.
Oh, yeah.
You didn't see that one coming in.
What's his name again?
TJ Quirk.
TJ Quirk.
Quack.
My kind of guy.
Quack. 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 Yes, sir, Mr. Quacksworth.
Cheers.
And that, my friends, is how we do it. In case you were wondering, that's how we do it. That's how we do the end of the show. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It was a banger. You will not regret making this.
Dude, the last handful of your videos have been awesome.
Obviously.
It's a compliment.
Yeah. Not
So
when you say it
sensitive.
like that way. Just go to Blackstone Products for this recipe and tons of other stuff. Also go to griddlenation.com. And if you didn't know it, my friends, this is CJ's first cooking show where we cook.
And we have bad comedy and what did that guy say?
What is it?
Too many cutaways.
Too many cutaways, bad comedy.
Too many cutaways and bad comedy.
And we quote.
Yep. See you guys later.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first